How's it going, Nate? Welcome back to Great Green North. Welcome to part 2 of the lawn care basics. This one we're going to be talking about when to mow. So this is another one of the major questions I get going throughout the year. When do I mow my lawn? So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the big question I get throughout the year is when do I mow my lawn? A lot of people tend to do what I call the lazy mow. So people either say I mow my lawn every week or I mow my lawn every 2 weeks. Well, it's not that simple. Depending on the season, spring and fall, your lawn grows faster. Summer, the lawn grows slower. What you need to judge is you need to follow what is called the 1/3 rule. You don't ever want to cut off more than 1/3 of the grass blade in a single mowing. So what this means is if you're wanting to cut your grass at 4 inches, the maximum amount of grass blade you should be taking off at one time to cut your grass at 4 inches would be if you were cutting at 6 inches, because that is 1/3 of that grass blade that you were taking off. You don't ever want to take off more than 1/3 of your grass blade, or else you're going to get scalping and burning and your lawn is just not going to look good. The best way to follow this is follow the mowing schedule I have built out in my lawn care program. That is, you mow twice a week. You're going to mow every weekend and every midweek. This is pretty much safe to keep you from cutting off too much grass. Depending on in the summertime or in the wintertime, you're not going to be able to cut off too much because you're staying on top of your mowing. As well as this, the more mowing you do, the better your lawn grows. So the more mowing, you're staying on top of your mowing, you're encouraging that lawn to grow, because the more you cut off that grass blade, the more your lawn says, well, screw you, I'm going to grow more, and it's going to spread out instead of growing up. That's why the more you mow, the better you grow. So I hope this video helped you. Stay tuned to part 3 of the lawn care basics from the Great Green North. My name is Wayne Murray. Please subscribe to my channel if you're looking for more lawn tips in real time for the entire season, as well as check out my website and my Patreon if you're looking for custom lawn coaching. I offer those there. From the Great Green North, my name is Wayne Murray. Leave any questions